Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Polkawallet account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Polkawallet account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The home page of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Import Account option. On the next page, tap on Substrate Account and select your source type. Here I'm going to go with mnemonics. Enter your mnemonics and tap on Next. Now type in your Polkawallet's name, enter your password and confirm your password by re-entering it, then tap on Next. This is how you can log into your Polkawallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.